Pik-a-Search tool allows you to find records in your BNTouch CRM using almost any filter or criteria. This is a great way to find client and partner files. Sometimes, however, you may want to get recurring updates on your mortgage records that meet specific requirements. In that case, the Scheduled Email Report feature allows you to stay on top of your business by customizing a report from any search you've made in your CRM. These reports can be emailed to you daily, weekly, monthly, or according to your own schedule, and they will always have the most up-to-date information from your client database. Setting up this type of automatic report is extremely easy. The first step is just to search for any records you want. Using the Pik-a-Search feature in your Mortgages, Partnerships, or Recruiting tab, you can search for records that match any filters you set. If you want to learn more about what you can do with the Pik-a-Search tool, please watch our Pik-a-Search training video in this series. Once you have clicked Search Records and results have displayed, scroll below your search filters to look at the resulting record list. Check to make sure that the records on the list are the kind you want to be included in your recurring report. If you need to make any changes or add more search filters, you can do so above. Once you see the search results you're looking for, click the Save As button below your search filters. Then click Scheduled Email Report from the drop-down menu. You'll see a pop-up alert where you can customize the settings for your new report. At the top, all of the filters you used for your search will be listed. First, enter a name for the report. This will be the title of the email that you will receive every time the report is sent. Next, choose which user in your CRM the report will be sent to. Normally, you can only select yourself, but admin users can select any user in their account. Only a single user can be selected for each report. If you want to set up reports for multiple users in your account, simply create a new report for each. Next, you can determine when and how often the report will be sent. Select a time for the email to be sent and set the report interval to be either daily, weekly, monthly, or every X days. For the last option, you can enter the number of days to use for the interval. Lastly, set the date when you would like the first report to be sent. When you're ready to start the report, click the Save button. Once you have saved a report, the selected email will be sent on the next interval after the start date you selected. This email will include your company branding and the name of the report, as well as a brief summary of the records included within. Mortgage reports, for example, will include credit self-rating and loan amount statistics. Below, any records in your system that match the set search criteria at the time of the report interval will be listed. Each client or partner record will include basic data from your CRM databases, including contact information, mortgage details, and the next pending task associated with the record. From this list, you can click on any blue record names to open them in your CRM. Similarly, you can click the blue button at the bottom of the email to open the Pik-a-Search tool with all of the search filters used by the report. Once you have set up scheduled email reports, you can make any modifications to ongoing reports in the Options tab of your CRM. In the Scheduled Email Reports section, you will see a list of any reports you have active. Administrative users will see active reports for all users in their account here. You can also access this report list from the Pik-a-Search screen by clicking the Scheduled Email Reports link in the upper right corner. For each report, details will be displayed to the right, including the user it was sent to, the report name and recurrence setting, any included search criteria, and its current status. This list can be filtered by user with the drop-down menus above, and you can search for words in the report name using the Name search box. To make any changes to a report, click the ellipsis button to the right. You can delete a report from here, edit it to change any settings, pause or resume it to temporarily stop it from being sent, or preview it to see what the email will look like. You can also delete multiple reports at once using the checkboxes to the left of the report names and the delete button above the list. Thank you for watching this training video. To learn more about the BNTouch CRM, please check out our YouTube channel.